It was a cool, perfect mid-September day as I drove to our traditional powwow. I had been looking forward to the day, and as I got closer, I became aware of a feeling of excitement and the conviction that something was waiting for me. A sign, a message, something good. This was our first powwow since the ancestor bones had been returned to the Odawa, and they were buried near the grounds. My sister had told me of the post placed near the old ones so we could go and welcome them home. I was certain my something was waiting there. We headed uphill to the post, only to have several people join us. I was a little annoyed. This was my time. When we got there, everyone had questions. I wandered away to check out the clearing. It was surrounded by tall birch and evergreen trees, and I felt like I was walking under clear green water. I tried to ignore the conversation behind me, but felt more and more irritated. How could I hear the spirits with all the noise? A rock on the ground caught my eye, and I picked it up. A shell. A feather caught on a spider web, spinning in the breeze. I reached out to take the feather. My hand slowed, and I thought, these things belong here, not to me. I put down the things I had picked up. The voices faded, and I could hear the echoes of the drums from below. I saw the birch trees, tall and white, and I thought, they're like the bones of our ancestors. The drums reminded me of the beat of my heart, like that of the old ones. Words like a poem pulled me in my neck, and I realized that was what I had come for. I connected with my ancestors.